I want to enunciate, but instead emaciate, like Krambambuli, waiting at your door. I'll sleep off the hunger, I'll feel myself dissipate, loyal to you only, waiting on your front porch. I'm my God's lonely daughter. I'll die like a son. I'm tired of fearing the winter and all that is to come. I'll catch a whiff of a scent of something I almost forgot, but I always remember our days, and I'll wait like a dog. I'll wait. I've bitten off more than I can chew. I swallow it all, the thought of you. I want to go home. Have I gone too far? I want to return to where you are. I'm my God's lonely daughter. I'll die like a son. I'm tired of fearing the winter and all that is to come, to come. I'll catch a whiff of a scent of something I almost forgot, but I always remember days. I'll wait like a dog. I'll wait. It's cold outside. I'll wait for you for the rest of my life. It's cold, God, it's freezing tonight, but I'll wait for this mere remainder of life. I'll wait forever to be by your side. I'll wait in the snow on the porchlight. I'll wait forever. Goodbye. I'll sleep in the snow for the endless night. Good night.